Hey, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your microphone in Yandex Browser. If you're facing issues with the wrong microphone being used during voice searches or calls, this guide is for you. Follow the steps carefully and you'll fix it in no time. First, open Yandex Browser on your computer. Next, go to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new settings page. Now look at the left sidebar and click on Websites. This section controls how sites interact with your browser. Then, scroll down until you see the option called Advanced Site Settings. Click on it to expand the advanced permissions. Again, scroll down until you find the section called Access to your microphone. This is where you manage microphone permissions. Now, click on the drop-down list under Microphone Settings. You'll see a list of available microphones connected to your device. Finally, choose the microphone you want to use from the list. Your browser will now use that microphone by default for all voice input. And that's it. You've successfully changed the microphone in Yandex Browser. If this video helped you, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe for more useful tech tutorials.